Welcome to Top 6 Subconscious Programming Software Solutions to Unlock Your Mind's Potential. Number 6. Easily create custom subliminal recordings with Subliminal Recording System X2, featuring masking, silent messages, and self-hypnosis options. Number 5. Selfpause is an AI life coach that assists users in problem-solving, setting goals, and overcoming limiting beliefs through affirmations and meditation sessions. Number 4. Abundant Mind offers a collection of visualization videos to help train the brain to emit positive, vibrational energy and attract success in all aspects of life. Number 3. Subliminal 360 is a powerful software that reprograms your mind with positive affirmations on your computer screen, generating customized MP3s for you to listen to anytime, anywhere. Number 2. Mindzoom is subliminal software that reprograms your mind and body with positive affirmations to improve mental power, abilities, and health. Number 1. Binaural Beats Factory is an AI-assisted online tool that creates personalized subliminal audio tracks with binaural beats to help users achieve desired states of being. That's it for our countdown of the top 6 subliminal software solutions from Top List Central, your source for discovering top lists in AI, business, technology, self-development, and finance. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful, and stay tuned to Top List Central for more lists like this either on our website or follow us on Twitter.